We are in room 5367.
Thanks to our incredibly hard-working housekeeping team, your cabins are now ready for you. If you have been patiently waiting to head along to your cabin, you're now welcome to do so.
Gotta go to your muster station first.
If you've not already done so, please head along to your assigned muster station before getting comfortable in your cabins. Muster stations are on deck 6, 7, and 8 here aboard Celebration, and your assignment is clearly noted on your boarding pass. There will be a reference. While I have your attention, I highly recommend you download the Carnival Hub app if you don't already have it. It is the one tool to unlock all of the fun both on board and in our ports of call. So take out and visit carnivalhub.com. It's free to download and free to use for the entire cruise. Once again, welcome on board and a huge congratulations to our couple that just got married on board today.
I've got my luggages here already at 1:30. I think you showed up at about 1. What's in here? Nothing. Here's the cooler. Not really a refrigerator. Got us a couple of beach towels in here. Everybody loves these that turn over and make a table. You'll see your couch with a little reading light here. Oh, I love that. Now, playing these new Excel classes, you have plenty of plugs. You got 3 plugs, 4 USB outlets. I hope they all work. Oh, you can scan here if you're hungry. The bed is a little tight on the other side. These rooms are smaller than rooms in other class ships. We have the Cove balcony. That is loud. So what are we, about 30 feet from the ground? Sure we get some footage when we're at sea of the Cove balcony. We've got 2 chairs here and a table, and of course this door can be shut in rough weather. Back up a little bit here, but you still have a window that it does not look like they can cover in rough weather. That's nice. We've got the glass so you can see while you're sitting down at the ocean. Okay, let's check out inside here. Okay, if I think of anything else you should know about this room. I need a camera light for this thing. Maybe it'll come up. Lots of hangers. That's really nice because we got lots of shirts I gotta hang. Pants and everything. This, how does this work? Okay. Oh, I love that. That's really nice.
I showed you that on our last cruise.
I know. I still love it though. I love these on Excel class ships for your shoes. I hope they last, people. And this. And this tiny little safe. Oh, it's not so tiny. This is a bigger safe than old Carnival ships. Nobody left anything under it for me, or if they did, the room steward got it. Another one of those things that you can drop down behind my suitcase. Ooh, 2 of them. And more hangers. Wow, they gave me so many hangers, they only give a few to the wife. Feel bad for her. This is what it looks like from the Cove balcony.